Every new start collapses for the same reason. Motivation feels powerful, but it's the reason you keep failing. You felt unstoppable. New plan, new goals, new rules. 3 weeks later, back to zero. Not because you're lazy, because motivation isn't built to last. And when that high fades, the new you disappears with it. Liam was standing in his kitchen at 10:47 p.m. The only light was coming from the fridge. His gym bag was on the chair. He stared at it. I'll wake up early, he thought. Tomorrow, I'm serious. He closed the fridge, went to bed. 6:42 a.m. The alarm rang. He opened one eye. His chest felt heavy. The bed felt warmer than usual. Not today, he whispered. And just like that, the new version of him disappeared. Nothing catastrophic happened. No injury, no emergency. Just less excitement. And when excitement drops, effort feels heavier. So he assumed, I lost motivation. He didn't lose motivation. He lost novelty. Your brain is wired to chase novelty, not consistency. Let's zoom out. Your ancestors didn't need long-term gym consistency. They needed short bursts of energy. Chase the animal, escape danger, seize opportunity. Your ancestors had scarcity. You have infinite stimulation. Your dopamine system evolved for rare rewards. Now it's bombarded. Notifications, short-form video, endless novelty. So when you try to focus on one long-term goal, your brain compares it to infinite alternatives, and consistency loses the competition. Not because it's hard, because it's boring. And boredom feels like danger to a novelty-driven brain. Motivation evolved as a survival amplifier, a short-term activation system, not a lifelong productivity engine. Now, neuroscience. Dopamine isn't the motivation chemical, it's a prediction chemical. It spikes when your brain detects potential reward or progress. New plan? Spike. New identity? Spike. New beginning? Spike again. But here's the catch. Dopamine operates on prediction error. When something becomes predictable, the spike shrinks. Same workout, same desk, same routine. Less novelty to smaller spike. Smaller spike to higher perceived effort. Higher perceived effort to you interpret it as, I don't feel motivated. Nothing is wrong. Your brain just adapted. Neural pathways strengthen through repetition, not intensity. Consistency rewires circuits in the basal ganglia, the part of your brain responsible for automatic behavior. Motivation activates you. Habits automate you. Different systems, different biology. There's also a behavioral explanation, the fresh start effect. Certain dates create identity discontinuity. New year, new me. Psychologically powerful, structurally empty. We did a full breakdown on that effect already. If you want to understand why those reset moments feel so intense, watch that after this video. But here's the important distinction. A new identity feels powerful. A new environment makes it real. Motivation is a signal. Signals spike. Systems sustain. If your plan depends on emotional intensity, it collapses when intensity normalizes. That's not weakness, that's neurobiology. Let's redesign Liam's strategy. 1. Reduce activation energy. Behavioral science shows that lowering friction increases execution probability. So, shoes by the door. Phone outside bedroom. Workout pre-scheduled. No decision fatigue. 2. Implementation intention. If it's 6:45 a.m., I put on my shoes. Not, I'll try. Specific cue to specific action. This reduces cognitive negotiation. 3. Small, stable repetition. 10 minutes, same time, same trigger. Repetition strengthens neural circuits. Intensity is optional. Consistency is biological training. 6:42 a.m. again. The alarm rings. Liam doesn't feel excited. He doesn't feel inspired. He just stands up. Because now the system doesn't ask how he feels. It tells him what to do. You were never broken. You were building on spikes. And spikes are temporary survival tools. Structure beats biology, and design beats dopamine. Motivation starts behavior. Design sustains it. If you want systems that survive your mood, subscribe. This channel is about understanding your brain so you can design around it. Tell us the habit you can't sustain. And if you want the most up-to-date 2026 framework or routine for building goals that actually stick, say the word. We'll design it. Thank you for watching. See you soon.